Hello everybody and welcome back to Slide into English, where we learn English through slides, stories, and comprehensible input. Today we are going to be learning the do not contraction. We only have two possibilities for what the contraction will look like. If it is for I, you, we, and they, we use the contraction for do not, and that is pronounced don't. If we are using he, she, and it, we use the contraction for does and not, doesn't. In spoken English, you may find that the T drops and becomes silent. Try to pronounce as clearly as possible first, and then when you become more confident, you can begin to imitate different native speakers. Let's continue with our slides. Today, the slides are a bit shorter, but we have some more. Do you know the Muffin Man? No, I don't. Who is that? Do I need to finish my dinner? No, you don't. But no dessert for you. Do we have to take off our shoes at your house? No, you don't. It's okay. Do they always arrive late? No, they don't. They are usually on time. Does she have the English homework? No, she doesn't. She's not even in our class. Does he have the English homework? No, he doesn't. He's the science teacher. Does your father like beans on toast? No, he doesn't. He only eats cereal. The difference between this sentence and the previous slide is we are using the word father in the question. However, we can still respond with doesn't. Similarly, does your mother work? No, she doesn't. She's looking for a job. Thank you very much for tuning in to today's lesson. If you like this format and if you want to see more contractions and more English language videos like this, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you again.